Hello, this is Bridge Song, the General Manager of MNC Key Account at Alibaba Cloud Intelligence International Business. Today, I believe the digital transformation has become the must-have option for all the industries. And I think that how to succeed through the digital transformation is a very, very hot topic for everybody here. So in this year, the coming Apsara conference, MNC Forum, will invite Fortune 500 companies and industry opinion leaders to share their insights and to discuss how to succeed through the digital transformation and the best practice. If you are interested in this topic, welcome to join us at Alibaba Cloud MNC Forum on October 20 in Apsara meeting. See you there.